Patch box 1451. Attention engine 11, engine 82. Ladder 10, rescue 13. The fire is reported 1615 Lakeland Avenue, Alpine Boulevard, and Bath Road. A dwelling. Patch box 1451, attention engine 11, engine 82. Ladder 10, rescue 13.
KG-14.
Fire is reported 1615 Lakeland Avenue, Bath Road.
25X4, possible house on fire.
Dwelling.
Just be advised there's a premise warning for snake and reptiles that are potentially dangerous inside. Scan Chief 14. Alright, in front of the police, looks like it's going to be a working fire.
Utilities responding on tackle box 1451, 1615 Lakeland Avenue. Police are on scene reporting a working fire.
Tackle box 1451, engine 11, engine 82, ladder 10 to rescue 13. Address fire 1615 Lakeland Avenue, Phase Boulevard, Bath Road, a dwelling.
Chief arriving, one-story single-family dwelling. Heavy fire out there.
Ladder 25 is a RIT response, tackle box.
Alright, Chief, use caution. There was an unrestrained dog in the area.
Lakeland Avenue.
Alright, received. I do have lights on the car in the driveway.
Okay. Somebody's over to box 1451, 1615 Lakeland Avenue. Chief 14's on scene, heavy fire in the rear.
Yeah, give me 2 minutes. $25 for you now, how you doing? I'm telling you,
Engine ladder 25, squad 43 respond, tackle box 1451. The address of fire 1615.
Well, please give a number for this address.
A dwelling. Ladder 25 is RIT, engines for 143 respond, tackle box 1451. The address of fire 1615 Lakeland Avenue, off Bath Road and Hayes Boulevard. A dwelling 121.
Ladder 25 is for response, tackle box 1451, address of fire 1615 Lakeland Avenue, Phase Boulevard, Bath Road. A dwelling.
Chief 14 Western, I'm going to be able to make it for 60 due to the gold.
Okay.
Deputy 14's around.
Deputy 14.
Rescue 13, rescue 13.
Rescue 13.
Okay, 12 around.
Tank 12.
And
Scanning engine 14, engine 82, engine 11 ladder.
drop it. We're waiting on a snare to secure the dog.
Okay. Ladder 10.
Chief 11's on radio. Deputy 14's on.
Engine 14, drop in.
Chief 14, engine 14, call entry 3/4 of front gate, do not enter. We're in the process of securing the dog.
Engine 11, respond with 3.
Engine 11.
Chief 14 Western, at this point I'm not sure if there's anybody inside or not.
Alright, Chief, you're going to take Lakeland, come in.
Yeah, it's on his Lakeland command. Flux level street.
Engine 14, engine 11, ladder 10, rescue 13.
Square 13, around with 4.
Square 13. Scanning engine 82.
heavy forces, it's 5-6. Tommy drives, that's right there. It's past the house.
Yeah, there's one past the house, there's one up the side street. What do you want, Chip?
Can you hand stretch?
I can try, I don't know how far it is. Want help hand stretching, Mike? Yeah, I'm gonna need it. I got you. I'm pulling past the house, Chip. Cody, hand stretch.
Not received.
Engine 82 responding with 6. Engine 82.
There's a dog in there, Peter. They're getting the dog first, okay?
Hold on a second.
We're trying to get that dog right there.
You got him?
No.
Rescue 13, full backup on engine 14.
You getting 360 or no, Bird?
Still waiting.
Tower 14, call, please.
I'm driving.
25.
Watch your phone. Ready? Yeah,
If that dog comes back, you fucking hit it with that hose. I need more line! Give me more line!
Here, get the fuck in there.
I need more line!
Get this guy in the fucking line.
Alright, get out of the way!
Watch out, watch out.
Watch out, get out of the way!
That's a closet.
I'll grab you too!
Down here. Fire department! Get office. Nobody's on the ground. Appears against the wall. Fucking get out of here. Got it? Alright. Thank you. Let me out of there. I gotta get a
Copy that, venomous snakes. Right to the back there. Watch your back, keep walking there.
I got a big ass fucking bird. No, I got a parrot up there too, a big ass parrot.
Yeah,
Parrot.
yeah, there's there.
Man inside, she has one.
Yeah, I think the parrot's dead. Yeah, I think so. There's a tunnel right there.
And here's
There's a tunnel right there. I gotta fly over.
Got that
Still
turtle.
alive. Right there.
Alright, let me know where it's going.
Find the birds?
Yeah, the birds won't stand a chance. I got the chinchilla. I got the chinchilla with whatever was in the cage. I got, and I got the cat.
I got. There was 3 birds.
Yeah, I got one bird from the living room, but I don't know. I'm sorry, there's no way the birds are gonna make it.
Yeah, they were up too high.
We got the turtle, the cat, and I got what is it, a chinchilla or?
Yeah, something's in there.
It's running good under there.
It's just in the floor, the basement's clear. Okay. Alright. Yeah, it was all right here. So, that's where the bucket was, that's what we got here. Yeah, it must have gone through the roof like right here and then fucking burn on the inside of this wall. Oh, look at the dog. You guys open up. What's it look like behind here?
What was that?
Get over my feet. What's up, little Bubba?
I'm not really scared of snakes. I've never held one.
I'm not taking the fucker up, I'll tell you that.
You're not? Oh, you just grabbing the whole thing?
What? No.
No, you're grabbing the thing out.
Yeah.
The tank.
Tell them we got another. Let's see when we come out. Hi, Bubba. I'm gonna take this water out of here. Oh, he's coming out to me. What's up, dog? You a good boy? Come here. Young Ferg, I got another snake.
They don't hear you.
Okay. I just don't want to. I don't want to piss him off too much either.
I don't think you will.
I mean, we're saving.
Let me grab this.
Saving homeboy's life. Grab that there.
Yeah, I got it. Oh, damn, it is. I got this corner, if you can grab up there. I got the front, if you can grab that.
Go ahead. Hold on.
You good?
Yeah, hold on.
I got this.
Alright. I'm glad we went for a walk. It's your lucky day, Snake. Yeah. Another one.
Another one what? You got a snake. Oh, fuck you, man. Put it back.
You have to say hello. I think he's friendly.
Yes. Put your hand in there.
I put my hand in there. He could have started coming towards me.
Yeah, I'm sure he did.
Motherfucker wants to know what's up.
Oh, shit.
A snake. He seems friendly. He's been coming out to me. I don't want to fucking grab him now. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna sit down here.
He's pretty friendly.
Are you sure?
I don't know. I don't know snakes, so I ain't talking to him.
They have allegedly had venomous snakes.
That's cool. Yeah, I'm definitely not touching that. Yeah. Yeah, I put my hand in there. He started coming out towards me, and I was like, yeah, I'm good. God damn. He was coming out. I said, let's go for one more walk.
Nobody has opened a fucking snake then.
Alright, Howard, you can add another snake to the total. Me and Cody found another one.
Another one? Dead or
Yeah.
alive?
Alive. It's all fun. We found him upstairs in the bedroom, or that other room.
Hey, just so
We just went for a walk.
Possibly a third dog that's in the house. Like a Yorkie or something. That would have been in the house, not a big one outside.
Is it secured,
Let me
the
see my
snake?
flashlight. The snake, yeah, I left it in the enclosure. Let me see my light. I'm gonna go look for the dogs.
But yeah, it's just one. It's just small.
Okay, you work here or something, you said?
You said the big one's still in here? The big
It's
one's
in the basement.
And then there's another one that's somewhere over there.
Okay. I'll look for the small one. I'm gonna keep walking around. It could be back here.